think it looks pretty good. Haven't got very many photos. Back out for another week of taking photos at Lemoine Point again. It's close to home. It's snowing right now. Don't want to get too far away from home, so mental health check-in. Still about a 5, maybe a 4 even. It's been going downhill steadily. Gotta get out. It's tough right now with the weather. It's just been pretty cold, so tough to get out. Tough to get the motivation to come and take photos right now, honestly. It's been so tough. I didn't want to get out of bed again. But I'm out. I'm out and trying my best to capture some interesting photos. So I don't have any challenge or anything planned for today. I'm just gonna do a wander around and see what I can find. Take a bunch of photos. So I've been thinking about how to grow as a photographer. I think probably the most important thing is getting out and using your camera and trying new things. So I'm just gonna do a bit of research online and see what kind of different things I can try to incorporate, different techniques or things. Right now it's a bunch of snow, it's a bunch of empty field. This is the less interesting side of Lemoine, so yeah, I've been thinking a lot about taking a break, honestly. Just the weekly uploads and the work and stuff. Like, I got that feeling in my head like I need a break. But do I really? I don't know. It's just me being lazy. Sometimes I get that, like, am I just being lazy or do I actually need a mental health break? Like, does anyone else ever get that? Like, yeah, it's hard to know. It's hard to know. It's just, am I just being lazy? I've gone out. I feel like I've gone out a lot this year. And, well, not this year. This year is now 2026. Wow, Happy New Year, everyone. But in 2025, I got out a lot. And now I'm just kind of drained. And I just want to relax and do something else. But no, I'm committed to continuing doing this and taking my photos and getting better at photography. But at the same time, I'm just feeling drained, and I think it's just mental health, but I don't know. Maybe it's laziness. Laziness or mental health? That's the question. Anyway, we're gonna do another walk around and see what kind of photos I can get. Let's go. see if we can find something. It's pretty barren out here right now. Looking pretty empty field, pretty snowy, but we'll see. See if we can find something. I think it looks pretty good. That's the shot I got. Probably can't see it, but I'll show it on screen. I think I got too much sky. Maybe I need to go a little higher and then point it down. I don't know. I like the fence post. I like the farm in the back, but I think there's just too much sky. I like that better. That versus that. I like the one with less sky myself. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of like the trees coming down from above and the fence line going in the distance. Grass is in front and the barn in the background. Yeah, I kind of like it. Haven't got very many photos. Yeah. Pretty, this place looks pretty interesting, actually. You look over here. That's it. That's the end of the journey. I'm calling it quits. It's too cold. Just kidding. We got a long way back. I don't have anything to say. I should say something, but I don't have anything to say. Getting a thumbnail. it's been an okay little adventure. Got some decent shots, part of this park that I haven't seen before, really. And yeah, got a few shots. Not a bad little outing. That's it. That's the end of the video. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you at the next one.